Hi, Mom. Happy Mother's Day. I know what you're thinking. That you don't do enough for me. You don't do enough for Daddy. But it's not true. Don't listen to yourself. Listen to me, my words. So take off a day from cleaning. Be yourself. We can bake together. You decide what we do. And that's us baking. And when I fall down, pick me up and cradle me. So I love you, and have a party. Be yourself today. It's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.